Doa terbaik buat kita semua, buat alam semesta, buat kehidupan, keharmonisan berbangsa dan bernegara kita. Nanti Lumta ini akan kami kami rangkai di Balai Asih. Jadi kalau teman-teman tidak keberatan, habis sarapan boleh ya nulis-nulis di bendera ini ya. Doa-doa yang indah lah ya.
His laugh you die for, his laugh you die for, the kind that colors the sky. Hard and tangible, slips away faster than dandelion fluff in the sunlight. And he's got swirls of passion in his eyes, uncovering the dreams he dreams at night. As much and hard as he tries to hide, I can see right through, see right through. His voice you know for, he says my name black. I fade away somehow if he's too loud. What I would give for me to get my feet back on the ground, head off the clouds. I laugh at how we're polar opposites. I read him like a book and he's a clueless little kid. Doesn't know that I'd stop time and space just to make him smile, make him smile. Oh, why can't we for once say what we want, say what we feel? Oh, why can't you for once disregard the world and run to what you know is real? Take a chance with me, take a chance with me. His kiss you'd kill for, just one and done for. Electricity surging in the air. He drives me crazy, it's so beyond me. How he took me dead in the eye and stay unaware that I'm hopelessly captivated by a
I didn't bring a sandal, so I have to take off my shoes. And this is my trick to not always hold the shoes.
Oh, why can't we for once say what we want, say what we feel? Oh, why can't you for once disregard the world and run to what you know is real? In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. I'll be your safety net.
Tadi yang apa tuh yang tentengan
Ini rekam ya, Tewe?
oh,